Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will share with you a recipe, one of Caribbean's most delicious recipe that you will ever make. That's right, chicken foot sauce using a combination of mixed veggies. In today's video, I will share with you the easiest way you can put this recipe together in little time. As always, if you're new to the channel, please take a moment to subscribe and welcome. So my friend, for this recipe you're going to need chicken foot which has been thoroughly washed and cleaned with a bit of lime and also vinegar. That amount is totally up to you. Next you're going to need 1 cup of regular vinegar or distilled vinegar. So my friend, in a pot of boiling water I'm just going to go ahead and add a bit of vinegar and also my chicken foot and pre-cooked for a few minutes. For this recipe, you're going to need a combination of mixed veggies. So friends, after pre-cooking, next I'm going to remove and add to Instapot and cook for 30 minutes. So friends, once you add these to your Instapot, you want to go ahead and add warm water and also your combination of mixed seasoning or spices. So my friend, on this channel I bring you guys some of the most easiest and simplest recipe you can put together in little or no time. As always, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more easy video recipe. Do keep in mind, for this recipe you certainly can use any of your favorite seasoning. For a full list of ingredients, please see the description box below. So friends, for additive taste, a bit of chopped garlic. So at this point I went ahead and pretty much add all of my ingredients. Next I'm just going to go ahead and give it a good stir and also cooked for 30 minutes or as needed. So my friend, after 30 minutes, here we are. At this point, I'm just going to let it sit and cool for a bit before I go ahead and add my mixed veggies. So friend, my sauce actually been sitting for a while and it's pretty much cooled off. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add half a cup of vinegar and also a bit of lime juice. So my friend, at this point you want to go ahead and garnish with your favorite mixed veggies. For this recipe, cucumber is definitely a must. So my friend, how easy was that? Guyanesechickenfootsouse recipe. I hope you give this recipe a try and also subscribe for more great video recipe. So friend, my version of Guyanesechickenfootsouse recipe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.